Hey, hello guys, welcome back to Zhejiang Tongli Kiln channel. My name is Richard. So on the back you can see this is the incineration rotary kiln. And then the diameter is 4 meters, the length is 15 meters. So in this video I'm going to introduce about the drive unit of this rotary kiln. So as you can see, this one is the supporting device. And one thing features about it, you can see this one, it has the thrust rollers on two sides to keep the riding rings in place. And then you can see this is the supporting roller. On the outside we have the bearing housing, and then inside we have the bearings, and on the bottom this is a frame. So this is a friction drive, two-base friction drive installation rotary kiln. It will have a front panel here and an end panel, rear panel on the back. The front panel that will have a burner that inserted on it to provide a heat source for the incineration rotary kilns. And usually the incineration rotary kilns are used to heat the waste into a high temperature to make it into residuals, and then to reduce the volume. And then another thing features about this transmission method is friction drive, which means it's not driven by girth, which means this one is driven by the supporting roller. The motor and reducer is connected to the supporting roller. So yeah, thank you guys. I'll introduce about other part of our routine.